Alrighty guys, today we have a 2008 Dodge Sprinter 2500. Extended crank, hard start, need start fluid start it. So glow plug lights on the dash. I'm going to show you how to test these real quick to know if you need glow plugs or if you need to replace that little glow plug module that sits right there. Just bear with me, we're going to go ahead and pull this off here, unhook these wires. For demonstration's sake, I'm going to go to that glow plug right there. Kind of hard to see, but we're going to test that one because it's easier to get to. Grab that right there and just pull up on it. She comes right out. Hook your digital voltmeter one side directly to there. I got the other one hooked to the ground. We're gonna go ahead and key it on right quick. All right, with that keyed on, you should have roughly 4 to 5 volts. Usually sits right about at 4 volts. These Sprinters, they don't take too much voltage, and then it'll slowly die off there, as you can see. So that means our module here is good. We've got a bad glow plug stopping it.